Clean damage area using prep solvent. Prep damage area using 36 grit on a single grinder, opening up a hole and rounding off the edges. Round off damage edges on cosmetic surface, removing sharp edges. V-grooving will cause a bullseye in the repair. Sand the back side using 80 grit DA sander. Blow off with clean, dry air. Do not use wax and grease remover after the surface has been sanded. Apply a thin coat of Adhesion Promoter TPS to both sides and allow a 10-minute flash. Cut a piece of bumper reinforcing mesh 1 inch larger than the damaged area. Remove the cap of the adhesive cartridge by prying the uppermost slot with a flat screwdriver. The cap may be retained for future storage. Properly place the cartridge into the gun with the label facing outward. Prior to attaching the mixer, dispense a small amount of adhesive to be sure both sides flow evenly. Attach mixer and dispense out 2 inches for proper mix. Apply a generous amount of Plyo-Grip by Valvoline plastic repair adhesive on the back side about the size of the patch. Place the pre-cut reinforcing cloth into the adhesive, pushing it down with a spreader and smoothing it out. Depending on work time, immediately apply adhesive to the front side and level out. If the adhesive from the back side sets up on the outer surface, stop and allow to cure. After cure, scuff the adhesive surface with 80 grit, blow off, and reapply Plyo-Grip by Valvoline plastic repair adhesive to the front side and level out. Allow adhesive to cure per adhesive recommendation. Sand and level with 80 grit sandpaper, working from the middle out. After leveling, switch to a 180 grit sandpaper and feather edge into the surface. Finish with 220 to 320 grit or finer. Wet sanding can be done if desired. If a skim coat is needed, use finishing cream. No mixer or adhesion promoter is required. Dispense onto mixing pallet and mix by hand with spreader. Allow 10 to 15 minute cure. Sand with 180 grit and work finer. Prime and paint per paint manufacturer's recommendation. For future use of the adhesive, replace the original cap.